Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Anmol and today we are going to do our makeup and talk about some stuffs. I'm getting ready while filming this and also this video was long due. I just want to sit and talk and tell you guys where am I in life right now. And there is no script for this video. It's just pure talking between two friends, you and me. Not too long ago, I was just another girl living in West Bengal, and never ever in my dreams I ever imagined that I'll be moving to Delhi and living my life as I want to live. I always wanted to be independent, but moving to Delhi, living my own life, all felt a dream. So my plan was to move to Delhi and study, do my degree here. Along the line, I also decided that this will be the place where I build my actual career. So guys, I convinced my parents that okay, I need to move to Delhi, study in Delhi University. I cleared my entrance exams. 1st November 2022 was the date when I moved to Delhi. And it has been 3 years since I've been living here. It was tough. Initially, I lived in a PG, then I took my own big girl apartment. I lived there for 2.5 years. I was doing everything on my own. I was making my own meals. Even if I was ordering from my own two hands. I was deciding what I want to have. I was deciding what kind of career path I want to choose. And initially, I was focusing on too many things together. One mistake that I made was I was trying to ride two, three boats all together, and that's why I drowned. Because I wanted to pursue modeling as well as I wanted to finish my degree. And then I was also doing content creation, and I was also trying to create a business. So my entire focus was divided into various parts because of which I was not able to do anything clearly. So for now I'm taking content creation more seriously and it is also giving me results. The dress that I'm wearing, it's not bought by me. My entire makeup, everything has been sponsored to me. Yeah, content creation has its own drawbacks, but at the same time the community you build, the love you get, and also as a student it's easy money for you too. The time when I was trying to do a lot of things all together, I was also doing a job. I forgot to mention that. I was doing a job, I was doing my college, I was doing content creation, I was trying to do modeling, I was trying to grow business. So everything collapsed. By the way, guys, with the orange color corrector, we also concealed it with my concealer. And moving forward, either you can contour or you can go forward with foundation. So 2026 was a very dramatic year for me. I took content creation more seriously and I got my returns too, but at the same time, a lot of things in my family collapsed. So I had to take a break of 3 months. Even when everything was literally down, I was still managing to create content, still showing up. I took a gap of 1 week, and after that, I had to go back to my home to take care of some stuffs. So that too took 3 months from me, and that was a huge dip, huge compression in my career. But then I came back in the month of October, 3 months into it, and again we are starting to see results. One thing that I want to tell you guys is do whatever you want to do, but if you want to achieve one thing, show up for it continuously, consistently. Doesn't matter if you work only 1 hour or if you work 3 hours, you have to show up for it. That will definitely give results. I am also a little lazy, not a little, I'm too lazy. But if I have made it, okay, I have to post 3 videos in one day, I will post 3 videos in one day. So this is something that you also have to do it for yourself. No one is going to do and get results for you. If you're promising yourself something, keep it. Because if you will not keep it, then you are going to lose respect for your own self. So yeah, with the 3 months dip, uh, when we rose up like a phoenix. This journey was just like spring, the compression and the jump. So yeah, everything that you do in your life is like a spring. There will be stuffs that will compress you down. Oh, just make sure that you blend your foundation to your neck. We're going to make this HD by using the HD Compact. Why I'm talking about all this is because maybe somewhere, someday, someone might be motivated by seeing this video and might work to create their dream life. I also moved out of my house when I was 17 and now I'm 20. got my big girl apartment at the age of 18 and living my life. In 2023 and 2024, I used to do internships, do a few photo shoots, and I used to earn very little, but I still used to agree to these shoots even though they paid me very like less money. And that's how I used to get money for my makeup products, my outfits. I always used to trip from Sarojini because Sarojini for sure is a savior for college students. It was tough. If I compare this with that time, doing all those shoots, also I put my life in danger a lot of time, like a lot of time. Things could have gone wrong. I could have not even lived. And you know how this industry also works, the modeling industry. It was very tough. And I used to save money like that to, you know, take my life forward and just take care of groceries. If you're a model, you have to make sure that you look good all the freaking time. I used to get bullied also a lot of times. I used to hear stuffs about me. People used to talk bad about me in college. Because of course my parents love me. They always used to do the most for me. But obviously living expenses in Delhi is high and I couldn't be entirely dependent on my parents. So yeah, I used to do crazy stuffs. If you guys see the Goa vlog also, that was one of the shoots that I did not tell my parents about. And I never used to tell my parents about anything कि मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ क्या कर रही हूँ कुछ भी नहीं बताती थी मैं, which is very wrong. You guys should tell your parents, but my parents used to take a lot of stress, so मैं नहीं बताती थी उन्हें. And by doing shoots, by doing internship, by content creation too. Also, one thing good with me was an agency called Charterbox. They reached out to me. It was so great. I was doing brands since I had 700 followers. I cannot believe the universe favored me in the best way possible. So that's why I always say, if you work hard, universe will bless you. At this point, I have my own money. I don't have to spend money in anything. Everything is sponsored by brands. So this is sponsored. We are not going to cry while making this video. Guys, I love highlighter. Okay, nothing is better than putting on highlighter. We are going to do all lips. Ah, see this. Even if you guys don't do your makeup every day, make sure that your lashes, your lips, and your cheeks are always done. You don't have to put on makeup, you just have to put on a gloss, a little bit of cheek tint, and eyelashes should have your mascara on. Your hair should always be clean. That's how you will look good all the time. Guys, we're done with the eyes. We did black, brown, and in the inner coat, this is a little golden. I'll just put on the lashes and come back. This is the entire look, and I had so much fun creating this look and talking to you. I hope this helps someone because when I used to watch the girls' video growing up, they motivated me more than they will ever know. And maybe someday, somewhere, this video might inspire someone else. I'm really thankful for those videos. I'm thankful to my parents. I'm thankful to this universe who made it happen, who let me go out and study in this big city. And lastly, your life is in your hands. You cannot expect anyone else to come and fix it for you. You are in charge, and even if you fall, you can rise up again and fix it. I will be showing up here on this platform more, being real, honest, and a little more consistent. Thank you for watching.